I don't make YouTube videos, but I felt the urge to make one. Hopefully this will help somebody. I have a 2010 f-150 and it was acting up with the no crank, no start issue. So I had it towed to the dealer, the no crank, no start, turn the key and the starter just spins, but the engine doesn't fire. So when it first happened, I called a tow truck and had it towed to the Ford dealership, $100 for the tow truck. And the Ford dealership then informed me that the fuel pump was bad and quoted me $1,375 to change it. I thought about it and decided not to go ahead with that with the dealer and went to pick up the truck. And of course, when I got there to pick up the truck, as most of you know, the truck started. They ended up charging me $200 for the diagnostic, so I was into this issue for $300 at the time. The truck started, I drove it home and drove it for a week or so, started acting up again, and I was trying to figure out exactly what it was, so I would try it, didn't start. I shook the truck, thought maybe there was dirt in the filter somewhere, or electrical wire was loose, so I would shake the truck and eventually it would start. Yesterday, the truck would not start. So I decided that I was going to put in the fuel pump myself. So I went and bought a fuel pump, which here it is. I don't think this is the right fuel pump anyway. And found some YouTube videos, said pull the box off. So I pulled the box off. And sure enough, my fuel pump is not accessible. It's under the cap right there. So I pulled the box off and pulled the fuel filler tube off, which is right here. And then decided that I was going to have to drop the fuel tank. So I siphoned all the gas out of the fuel tank, which is very easy. That's a 1/4-inch hose, and you just stick it in there, and I siphon it into this bucket. Now, I'm siphoning it back into the tank because of some very helpful videos on YouTube about fuse 27. So let's go look at fuse 27. In the fuse box in the front of the truck, there's a fuse 27, which is right there. Sure enough, I pulled my fuse 27 out, and that's what it looked like. It's rusted, and it was right here in this slot. I took this fuse from this slot right here, replaced this fuse, started siphoning the gas back into the truck, reattached the fuel lines, and the truck starts. So if you're having a problem with your F-150, no crank, no start, before you get into this, check fuse 27. Good luck. Hope this helps.